Hey up everyone, welcome back to Enter the Gungeon. I'm Jackster. Let's make that. I'm gonna play some more. Screw it. Uh-oh. Am I not allowed in, sir? You are now ready to enter the Gungeon. Oh. Oh, thank you. I was born ready. What is this? Don't think it's it. No, right, okay, are we ready? 1, 2, 3, go! I think I fell down a hole. Oh, yeah. Enter the Gungeon. Chamber 1. Keep of the Lead Lord. What is this gun? When did I get this? Whatever it is, I've got unlimited ammo. Wait, where's my AK-47? Oh, you must not be able to keep it when you insert in there. What's E? What does E mean? I don't know. Let's just go. Come on, bring it on, son. Oh god. Holy crap. Oh, it's hard. Oh, it's happening now. Oh! Ah! Oh, no, you don't. Stay away from me. Ah! Reloading. Holy crap. Oh shit, I got hit. I'm hit. Ow. Oh, Jesus. This is hard, man. First room. There you go. There you go. Woo. Wow, that was certainly a step up. Oh, dear me. Reloaded. Right, so I seem to have just a standard pistol of some sort. Tell you what then, what harder than it looked. Uh-oh. They're coming. Flip the table. Guide me. Oh, Jesus. Yes. What's this? What is this? What's a red one? I can't pick it up. Why can't I pick it up? I don't know. I'm not sure what a red one does exactly. But anyway. Right, there's a teleport there, that's good. Die! Gotcha. Holy crap. There you go, take that. And you. Yes. Good job. Anything of use, anything valuable, I don't think so. Let's move on. Oh, careful of the water. What is this? The only legible text is offering, the rest is blank. Oh, I don't have anything. Where am I going? Uh-oh. No chance. Whoa, what is this? Oh. No problem. Do you know, the music is amazing, I have to say. The music is amazing, the gameplay is fun, and it already coming across is quite difficult. Don't think... Am I going the right way? I don't know. Who knows? Let's just go. Alright, what have we got? Holy crap, there's a lot of them in here. Woo! Look at all this fire power. Die! Oh god. Reloading. There we go. Thanks for that. Oh! Woo! We did it. Oh, yo. Ghosts! Oh! Ah! Ghosts! With Tommy guns! Oh god. Why are ghosts coming alive? Oh, I got him. Yeah. I have a teleport. Oh, is that the boss? No, we can't do boss yet. So far so good. I've not been hit technically. Yeah, anyway. What's this? Oh, it's down here. Come on. Oh no you don't. You destroy all your work. Screw you. Oh, is there any... Oh, there, look. The red one, I can't pick it up. Maybe you can only carry one at a time. is this? Alright. I have no idea what that was. Could be useful. Holy crap. Who is this? Oh my god! Holy crap! Get out, get out, get out! Oh, I'm stuck. Oh my god. Look at the size of him. Whoa! How the friggin' hell do you avoid that? Just move when he's gonna fire like that. Holy crap. Jump! Jesus, that's a big dude. Oh, I got him. Oh, reload. Oh my god, that was tough. Oh shit, more of them. There's more. Oh! Oh, you don't. Get that. Oh man, I've taken it. I've been hit. Phew! Any bonus for that? No? Nothing? Jeez, that was... Oh, the switch. Can I flip it? No. Okay. Okay. The switches on the walls, they must mean something. Anyway. Ah, it replenishes my health. Didn't know that. Hi. Don't know what you are, I'm not going to take no chances. Oh god. I'm stuck. Oh. No you don't. Nope. Oh god. It's got like a pump. Ah, get that dickhead. It's like a pump action shotgun there. Pump handle. Oh no. I don't want to go in there yet. Oh god, no. I need another gun, don't I? Before I take on the boss. The music's so cool, man. I'm literally like bopping my head. Oh no. Oh god, no. Fuck no, do I want to fight the boss just yet? Alright, so what's in these rooms then? Is it like mini-boss? A mini-boss or something? Where else can I teleport? I should go back to the beginning because... Yeah, I'll go back to here. I want to know what's in these other rooms. Freeze, motherfucker! Table. Freeze! Oh, never mind. I kicked ass anyway. Oh, it's just a normal room. Is that seeing anything in here? Do we get points for destroying all this stuff? No. I have nothing to sacrifice to the... Oh, I can pick up that thing for health though, damn. There we go. What's in this one? There's a room up here. Oh, what's that? In the corner. Nothing. Okay. Uh-oh. There's a lot of enemies. Take them out quickly. Take cover. Fire! Gotcha. So I don't know what these golden things are. Maybe it's some kind of currency that you can use to purchase things. I don't know. Oh, there's a switch on the wall. Oh, you're joking? Oh, I could have used that earlier. Balls. Okay. What is this? What is it? An Uzi? Oh, hell yeah. Look at that bad boy. I'll keep the pistol for now. Unless I only get one chance to have this gun. Hell yeah. That's my boy. Now I want some, eh? I missed this room, didn't I? Let's go in this room. I wish I could sprint a little bit quicker. What have we got here? Who wants some? Who wants some? Anybody want some? What's it? Another chest. Can I up? Oh no, I've got a feeling that I won't be able to open that. I need some sort of key, maybe. Did I have a key? I don't know, but I'll take it. Yes, I've lost my helmet though. What do we have here? Another key. I have 2 keys. I didn't even, so I had a key. I didn't even know I picked one up. Okay. Now we'll hit the teleporter and go back and fight what I would assume is the mini boss. Is that right? Where should we go? It is. Oh wait, can we sacrifice something? I don't know, but let's go this way. Surprise, motherfucker! Oh god. Oh crap, I'm hit. Reloading. Oh, needs a little... Ah, reloading. Oh god. Reloading. Oh, what is that? What are you doing? Oh crap. Oh god. Oh yes! Super sweet. Reload that bad boy. Woo! Another key. Awesome. Another chest. What's that, mate? A knife? Whoa, what have I just unlocked? Knife shield. Use again. Knife shield. What do I do with this? Oh no! Did I lose it? Was that it? Did I only get to use it that one time? More of a curse, it looks like. No, I'll have an ammo drop in it. So I'll try it. Oh, thank you. Hell yeah. I'll tell you what, I can go pick up that now. Oh, hang on. Thanks for the knife shield, Dork. What is that? What? Did I just give my... Oh no. A little bastard stole my little... Oh dear. Wait, there's a shrine over here. I want to see what's in the shrine. It says you can sacrifice something, but what can I sacrifice? I hope I don't have to sacrifice... Offer what? I don't know what to offer. I don't know! Anyway, screw it. Let's go fight. Whatever that is. It's not the boss, maybe mini boss, maybe. This game is fantastic. I'm glad I bought it. Very cheap as well. I think it was $9.99 on sale, so its normal price was $10.99. So I would say this game could go on forever. So I think I got a good deal. All right, who's in here? What is this? Use the map to walk to these teleport points. Ooh, the music's all like, I'm like jigging about. Yeah. Oh crap. Oh no, I didn't mean to. It's a shop. What is this? A camera? Oh, I can't buy it. Oh, can I buy some hearts? No. Hello, sir. Watch out for all the bullets. Yeah, thanks for the advice, sir. Thank you. I believe it's boss time. Let's go beat the shit out of the boss. See what you got, brother. What is this? I see a minigun. And it's a... Oh wait, that's my minigun. Oh crap. Oh my god! Rapid fire raptor, Gatling ghoul! Uh-oh. Oh crap. Woo. Oh my god. Go on, epic. Ah! I'm hit. Oh, it's tough. Oh my god, it's tough. Ah! Oh, I've got to do some epic running. At the table. There we go. Ah! Where's he gone? He's flying. I can't see him. Oh crap, I did. Shit. Oh crap. Random. Oh, I'm dead. I'm not doing very well. Reloading. Oh, crap. Oh, shit, incoming. Oh, God. It's really got to focus on... Oh, crap. I'm hit. Oh, shit. Lost health. Reloading. I'm stuck in the... Oh, I got stuck. Oh, no. Oh, I died. Oh, no. I've entered the book of fame. I got P-shoot. Has joined the shootout. I got killed by the Gatling gull. Oh no. The past still haunts you. Quick restart or return to breach. Quick restart. I don't know. I'll return to breach. Quick restart what? Start the whole thing again? Oh no, please. Oh please, no. I do not want to start again. Oh no, it does. It puts you right back at the beginning. Oh no! A shrine to an old gunslinger. There is an encryption. Kill your past. You've already damned your future. The rest is worn away. Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll end this one here. This game is awesome, and this is just... I'm not even in knee deep in it or anything yet. So, oh, I don't know what to say. I mean, this game has co-op as well. I mean, I'll have to check that out at some point, but I'm going to play some more of this and see how far I can get. But anyway, thanks very much for watching. Hope you'll join me in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.